No, this is going back to the store, okay? Hello everyone, today I will be sharing a small Vogue pattern haul along with a few simplicity patterns that I picked up and a couple of items that I picked up from Temu. And if you want to hear all about what I picked up, see what I picked up, and if you want to know why I'm going to be taking one of those Vogue patterns back, please continue to watch. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT, and if you are new to watching the channel, I hope you consider subscribing, and thank you to all of my returning subscribers for coming back and for your continued support. So again, I am going to be sharing with you a small Vogue pattern haul. I picked up a few patterns from them, and I picked up a few simplicity patterns, and I picked up some items from Temu, and I will go ahead and start off with the simplicity patterns. This video is probably going to be nice, short, and quick because I didn't pick up a whole lot, but you definitely want to see. I don't know, it just kind of threw me off with this one particular pattern that I picked up from Vogue. Once I got home, I looked at it a little bit more. I'm like, no, this is going back to the store, okay? So I will go ahead and get started with this video, and then you can let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite pattern, and if you agree with me or not. I mean, you know, it's not a big deal, but you know, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So for the first pattern I picked up Simplicity 9730, and the pattern description is Mrs. Layering Slips. Now the reason why I picked this up, I honestly just kind of went across this and didn't even consider getting this, but Mila of Love Mila on YouTube and Instagram showed this on one of her pattern hauls, and it's basically a layering piece like the description says, and I picked it up because I do like crop tops, but in the past I've always worn like a button-down shirt that resembles like this here, what this model is wearing underneath, and honestly I just don't like the bunchiness of a button-down shirt and then another shirt on top of it. So when I saw this after she showed it in her pattern haul, I'm like, that's brilliant. This is a slip, but it looks like a shirt that's hanging from underneath. So I picked that up because I have several crop top tees that I've seen in like stores, you know, ones that I wouldn't even be willing to put the time in to make, but just something to pick up and throw on, and I would love to pair it with something like this. So that is why I picked it up. Every size comes in one packet, so it's size small through extra large. There are several views here, as you can see right here, and this is considered easy to sew. So I'll show you the line drawings in the back. Here are your line drawings. Yeah, I thought that was really cool. And as a reference, here's one of the tops that I had picked up from Aeropostale. See how it stops right here? It is an extra large, as you can see. But yeah, I can put like a nice black one, or either this cream colored, or anything, whatever I want to do. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. Then I picked up Simplicity 9111. This pattern description is Mrs. Faux Wrap Skirt, Pants, and Short. The reason why I picked it up is because it's faux. I have a lot of real wrap styles, but it's faux, and I just overlooked this because I actually just had a Simplicity haul and I overlooked this pattern, and when I went to look at the previous pattern that I showed, I saw this one, and so yeah, that's why I picked it up. But as you can see, the model is wearing the pants, here is the skirt, and here's the short. And this comes in different size packets. I picked up the largest one, which is a 16 to 24, and here are your line drawings in the back. Then I picked up Simplicity 1236. This is a one size type of package too, and the pattern description is casserole, bowl covers, and dish warmers. And so the reason why I picked it up is because of the bowl covers. We are now finally getting some spring weather, and then it will be summer. During those months, the children go in and out. They leave the door open. Sometimes a fly might get in the house or something like that. So I just want these bowl covers to protect my food, to make sure that nothing gets in them. And if we ever go like on a picnic or something like that, that would be a good option as well. So that is why I picked that up. The rest are bonus. Usually when I pick up these type of patterns, I'm picking it up for something specific. And like I said, in this case, it's the bowl covers here. So here are the line drawings in the back, and there's 3 different bowl cover sizes right here. All right, on to the Vogue patterns. This first Vogue pattern is Vogue 1933. The pattern description is Mrs. Shirt Dress. Absolutely love this. This is totally my style, and I would make view, can you guess? B. I don't mind making like this version right here, but it is very short, so I would definitely bring it to the knees. So if I did make, I guess that would just be a version in between A and B. It would be my own version. That would be version AB. Let's take a look at the line drawings in the back. Here are your line drawings in the back, and this dress is supposed to be loose fitting through the bust, and it has dropped shoulders. It has a collar, neckband, patch pockets, side slits, and length variations. They recommend poplin, linen blends, and cotton shirting and sateen. So yes, I thought this is super cute. This is definitely chic, and I love the split detail here, which I have seen on other patterns, but there's more than one type of split detail. There's split detail here, down the side here, and in the front, and I think making it in a nice popping solid color would be beautiful. I think other colors would be beautiful, like prints and things like that, but this is really like this is screaming like super chic, so love it. Then I picked up Vogue 1937. The pattern description is Mrs. Tunic and Dresses. I actually like both views, but the views that screams at me is view. Can you guess this one? Hey, as you can see, I have this trend going with these long dresses here. I just love them. Looks super cute. It's simple, but it looks chic. Love the styling period. Love the shoes with it. Love the hairstyle. I think I could make this too. I'm not, you know, it's just a bonus for me because I really only picked it up for this pattern. And yeah, so when I picked it up, it has the sizes A through J, and I think that those are all the pattern sizes included. The last time I picked up a Vogue pattern, it had this alpha type here, and it was everyone, but I did cut the wrong one, so I have to be careful this time and make sure that I cut the right size. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the pattern description goes on to say that it has a pleat front, a line dress or tunic with back yoke. View A has side seam pockets, contrast collar, and cuffs and hem facings. View B has lantern sleeves, contrast upper sleeves, yoke lining, and hem facings stitched to the outside. You can see these lantern sleeves here. So yes, that is Vogue 1937. So then we have Vogue 1935. Super cute. Love it. The pattern description is Mrs. Dresses. I think this detail right here, because I love a fit and flare, it is super cute. Okay, perfectly up my style. Let's look at the line drawings in the back. So here are the line drawings in the back. Details go on to say that this is a line dress and has a bodice out of the bias, twisted strap detail, and very loose fitting draped skirt, invisible side zipper, side seam pockets, and it recommends linen blends, cotton shirtings, and poplins. And for view A, also horizontal stripes. Now, this is the kicker. I did not pay attention to this pattern detail in the store, and when I looked at how much fabric I would need for this pattern, I have decided to take this back because I have other styles that will fulfill this look. 9 yards. Let me show you. For my size, the finished bust measurement for me is going to be the size 24. So I'm going to need 9 1/4. 9 1/4. It's not that serious. It is not that serious because I don't know of any pattern that I want having 9 yards of fabric draping off of me. So I have my receipt and she's going back. Alright, so now I will show you the few items that I picked up from Temu for like hardly any cost at all. So the first item I picked up here is this rotary cutter. I have a rotary cutter that I have been using since the pandemic. It was the only one I could find because everything was out of stock. This one, as you can see, it's very basic, but I've still been using it, been replacing the blade and everything. But you know what, this is a little bit fancier. It has the little handle here and it's more bulky, sturdy or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade to this, see how I like it. This is, like I said, it's still been working. I'm not a wasteful person. Well, I try not to be a wasteful person. I know I buy all these patterns, but for the most part, I'm not a wasteful person. And you know, so I'm not going to get rid of this. I do use this for cutting patterns and for fabric. I don't switch it up. You know, I just get a new blade when I need to. But yeah, this is here, and it was only like $4 or so. It didn't cost much at all, and it comes with a blade. Then I picked up these here thread holders. You just wrap these around your thread spools. And I think it has how many? I believe there's 10 of them in here. And yeah, this will stop all your thread from unraveling. Just wrap it around your thread spool and it will hold that together. And I purchased this for like a little over $2, and I will try to put the actual price that I paid in the description box below or on the screen. But yeah, very, very handy because I get tired of mine getting all tangled up. And then for the last item that I got, this is, I don't even know if this is any more than $1. This is just a cleaner for my sewing machine. I typically use paint brushes that I purchased at Dollar Tree and things of that nature, but I just figured this, you know, is a little bit longer here, and then it has this little spiral brush here. So I figured why not go ahead and buy it. Alright, so that is all for my haul video. Again, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!